In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt tensioner on this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. I'm going to take a 15mm wrench, and there's a little tab on the tensioner. Grab that tab and then slide it forward. And then you take a hex key or something similar, and there's a hole in the front of the tensioner. You want to slide that through there. That's the key, going to keep the tensioner locked so that there's no tension on the belt. Now I'm going to use a 6mm hex socket. Take this bolt out. This bracket goes across the top. Now there's 3 bolts over here. We're going to use a 13mm socket. We'll take the top 2 out first because those are attached to this bracket. Those out, then you can move that bracket out of the way. You can access that last one. Same 13mm socket. Take that out, and you can grab the tensioner. And it slides right out. Take the new tensioner, it's already got a pin in there, and we'll slide it back in place. We didn't even have to take the belt off, just line this back up. Get the bottom bolt started. Once that's started, then we can take this bracket, line the bracket up, get the top 2 bolts in over here. And line this bolt up. And we can tighten those down. And tighten this bolt down. Snug those down. Using your 15mm wrench, take the tension off the tensioner and then slide the pin out. Release the tension and just double check the belt. Make sure it's around all the pulleys correctly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.